Good morning, Easter Greene. Today is Monday, April 6th. Happy National Siamese Cat Day.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now for a moment of silence.
Attention seniors. Scholarship deadlines are quickly approaching, so if you've been planning to apply or are still working on applications, now is the time to get them submitted.
A few scholarships due next week include the Ryan Wilcoxon Scholarship for senior athletes and the Tamara Ingram Cummings Scholarship for students pursuing a degree in the health field. Many others are due in the coming weeks, so be sure to get those in. If you have questions or need applications, reach out to Mrs. Wolford.
NHS is taking orders for gourmet popcorn until April 10th. See flyers, post on social media, or ask NHS members about the yummy flavors available. Money is due at the time of ordering, and the delivery will be in May.
Right now, it's 45 degrees and sunny. Today's high is 62 and the low is 36.
This week we are kicking off something important. April is Autism Acceptance Month, and we are going to spend time this week highlighting the importance of acceptance through a dress-up week, and some facts shared every day and a challenge issued for each of us. You may have heard of the word autism before, but this week is about going beyond just knowing the word. It's about understanding what it really means and how it shows up in everyday life. Throughout this week, we are going to focus on what acceptance actually looks like.
That might mean understanding that someone processes noise, social situations, or change differently. It might mean being more patient, more aware, or just choosing not to judge something you don't fully understand. By the end of this week, the hope is that we don't just talk about inclusion, but that we actually practice it in small, everyday ways, because that's what makes a school feel like a place where people belong.
To kick it off, we are starting with a rainbow day. Looking around today, you can see a lot of colors. Rainbow shirts, tie-dye, all of it. We are wearing these colors to represent that our school is made up of people who think in different ways. That idea is called neurodiversity, which just means that there isn't one right way for the brain to work. No two brains are exactly the same. Some people are autistic. That doesn't mean that something is wrong. It means that their brain processes the world differently.
A helpful way to think about it, it's like different operating systems. Some people are running one kind, others are running another. No system is better. They just function differently and have different strengths. That might look like someone being incredibly focused on specific interests, noticing details others miss, or being more sensitive to noise, lights, or social situations. You might also notice someone using headphones, stimming, or communicating in ways that aren't typical, and that's part of how their brain works.
Here's the challenge for today. Pay attention without judging. If you notice someone doing something different, don't assume. Just understand that they experience the world in a different way. Make space for it. It's a small thing, like a nod, a smile, or just letting someone be themselves, can make a bigger impact than you think. Different doesn't mean less. It just means different. And that's a part of what makes this place work.
Today for lunch, we'll have sloppy joes with curly fries and savory green beans. Pepperoni pizza, cheese pizza, and chicken bacon ranch pizza will also be available.
You can also get a classic chicken sandwich or a spicy chicken sandwich. The deli will also be open.
Good luck to the softball team as they travel to Bloomington North for a 6 o'clock first pitch.
Have a great day, Easter Greene.